This season on Long Island Medium. I turned 50 and I'm all about trying new things. You wanna know what goat yoga is? He just jumped on my back! Oh God. Wait! Cryotherapy, honestly, it's insane.
What makes me nervous is this smoke.
Would it deter you if I spoke to dead people for a living?
Your mom have your grandmother's religious articles?
Her rosary beads.
She goes, I don't know why they kept them, they don't use them. He says, Erin, this too shall pass. Did your dad say that?
I have it.
Your father, he was like a racehorse, for God's sakes, right out of the gate.
You say racehorse?
Yeah.
My dad owned a bunch of racehorses. Wow, that's such a trip.
I heard I gave my life for my sister.
That's what
I gave my life for my sister. Did he always have like coins in his pocket or keys?
God.
Can I keep my shoes
God.
on? She wasn't gonna let go of my hand, but she made me feel like you'd never let go.
Wait, don't make me cry.
I can't do this. Kids are great, you know. They're
Larry,
doing their thing.
everything's good with Larry?
There's a strain there, you know. Since the last season of Long Island Medium, Larry and I's relationship has changed.
I go to sleep thinking about it, I wake up thinking about it. I don't know what the outcome of this is gonna be.
This comes down to you and Larry really having to figure out what you guys are gonna do.
It's not easy for me to talk about this. I don't know what's gonna happen. And that's hard.